We have Snapseed. Now, Snapseed is an excellent tool, which is also free as well. Even start by creating your thumbnails. So, for example, we're just going to show you here. I'm going to take a quick snippet out of this video, bring it into Snapseed, and you have everything to adjust it from structure, brightness and contrast, anything to adjust the face, skin touches. And the interface, of course, is mobile, very easy to use. We use this a lot ourselves for our own thumbnails, as you'll see on the page going forward. For some people, you know, Photoshop can be a bit daunting with the text and all that, whereas Snapseed has pre-built templates for the text. I'm just going to scroll down and show you that now. Here you have multiple tools here. You just pop it up on the picture and then you can rechange the text. And of course, my personal favourite, I kind of overdo it with it, but I go up here at the structure, and I may overdo a bit with the structure, but I like them type of tones, and you can get that type of HDR look, which is really cool. So definitely a must-have, because it's free, easy to use. Of course, you need the Wi-Fi to download it, but that goes without saying.